Before we begin, you might need the following tools to get the job done. Make sure you have all the required knotwood materials for this system. For optimal installation, we recommend that the support surface include support railings. To begin, position the flat bar piece against the starting corner and screw it to the support surface. Once the flat bar is in place, overlap the lead side of the panel on top of it and fix it, screwing through both pieces. Repeat the process with the rest of the panels until the desired area is fully covered. Make sure to keep overlapping the lead side of the following panel to the tail of the previous one and screwing across both of them. Now that all panels are in place, attach the specified battens by pressing them onto the brackets until you hear a click. Repeat this process until all panels are fitted with battens. And that's it. Now your new stunning panel battens are complete. For more information, contact us or visit our website.